Қалдарыңыз and the greedy farmer. A story from Kazakhstan.
Look and listen. Wheat. Dinner. Sky. Fall down. Silly. Let's watch.
Қалдарыңыз and the greedy farmer. A story from Kazakhstan. Please, can you give us some wheat? We are very hungry.
No! This is my wheat. I haven't got any wheat for you. Bye! It's time for my dinner. Ha ha! Are you Қалдарыңыз?
Yes, I am.
I know you can trick people, but you can't trick me.
Look, the sky is falling down. I'm going to tell the king.
Huh? Oh, no!
Look, let's take the wheat. It is not easy to trick a clever man, but a silly man can always trick himself.